Creating a new document. Follow the below steps to create a new document. Step 1. Click on the File menu. From the menu bar, a drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Select the New option from the drop-down menu. The New Document dialog box appears. The New Document dialog box contains the photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile and film and video tabs. These tabs allow you to create a document with predefined dimensions and settings by using the provided presets. You can download the templates from the internet to create new documents. 2 more tabs and are also available. These tabs allow you to use the recently used or saved preset. In the New Document dialog box, you can change the settings of the selected preset from the Preset Details pane on the right. The Preset Details pane allows you to change the name, width, height, resolution, color mode and background content of the document. The height and width of an image can be measured in different units, including pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, etc. In this case, we have created a document by using the default Photoshop size preset from the Photo tab. Step 3. Click on the Create button. A new Photoshop document will be created.